Hello guys and welcome to Top 4 on channel. Listening to music for money is easy with the platform. First, you need to sign up. Second, you need to create a playlist. And third, you can collect money on autopilot. Hey, I'm back to show you how to get 24 for every 2 songs you listen to. Please hit the subscribe button below this video and make sure to turn on that notification button as well. The next thing on my list is to let you know about the latest ways to make money online. Check out this link. As you see, I got a payment from PayPal for listening to a few songs. Results aren't guaranteed. You may earn more, the same, or just a little less, but I can guarantee that if you follow the exact steps throughout this video, you won't be able to achieve results like this, so make sure to stick with it throughout the entire video. Let's look at how you can earn $24 for every 2 songs you listen to. The first is that I will be revealing a new platform that pays people to listen to music. The second will be that I will be explaining 3 other websites that will boost your income. And the third will be that I will present you with an income automation system at the end of this article, so stick around and keep reading. Now let's get straight to the point. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to build a free playlist so that you can earn even more money. I'm going to go to the platform that pays people to listen to music, then I'm going to show you how to do that. So this site is called Playlist Push, okay, and what it does is connect artists, especially new and upcoming musicians, with playlist curators. It is understandable why these artists will spend money to get placed on a playlist, because they are aware that they will gain new listeners and traction through it. In this lesson, I'll show you exactly what it takes to curate a playlist from home for free and how to do it without any capital investment. Now when we scroll down, you're going to see that you're going to press Become a Curator, and that's going to take you to where it says Discover New Music for your playlists. Okay, for playlist owners, we're playlist owners, so I'm going to show you how to put together a playlist quickly. As a curator, you are going to get paid to review songs. Okay, if you qualify, you are going to add those songs to your playlist, so you can listen to them on Spotify, YouTube, or Apple Music, and you will receive payments per song review of $12. You can request a payout at any time and it will be deposited directly into your bank account. As you probably are wondering, I'm gonna discover new music. Okay, so how do I become a playlist curator? I don't know where to start, but if you do, you just need a nice playlist, maybe about 40 to 50 songs on Spotify, and I'll show you how to get it for free. A free Spotify search on Google will lead you to this right here, where it says get a free premium subscription for 1 month. That's all you need to get it going. You only need 30 days to get it up and running, so that you're earning profits that basically cover the subscription fee for you after the free month. If you don't have Spotify already, sign up for it and create a playlist of top hits. Okay, not just any songs, not just songs that you enjoy, but songs that everyone enjoys. Your playlist gets millions, hundreds of millions, if not billions of listens. So we're going to piggyback on the hottest songs. So if you search top hip-hop songs in 2023, it's going to show you the top songs that people are listening to right now. You will get more listens, and therefore Playlist Push will pay you more money, because this will benefit you in your playlist. As a result of this, you'll be able to add more artists to your playlist. So you're going to add some of these new songs to your playlist, such as Babirus, Travis Scott, Cardi B, and Lil Wayne. All of these people are right here. Once you get a playlist of 40 to 50 popular songs that everyone likes, you'll add those to your playlist. As your playlist grows, you can make sure that Playlist Push will send all artists to your playlist, because you are getting the most listens. But how do you grow your playlist even more so that you make sure that you ensure you get the most listens? You're going to go to 3 platforms. The first platform is playlist.net. Now that this is the place where you can actually submit your Spotify playlist, so you're going to click this button to submit it right here. There are about a couple 100,000 visitors coming to our site every month to discover new playlists, so your playlist is actually going to land right here. This is a nice thing, because if it lands right here, you're going to get a couple 100,000 listens, and those people will basically add your playlist to their favorites. It's a great place to start, so playlist.net is perfect for you. The second place is actually Reddit. Believe it or not, people post on Reddit all the time, including this guy right here on WaxMolPimp. Now he says, post your favorite playlist here. You can see that 116 people commented on their favorite playlist, and you can do that too. Start searching Reddit and scanning Reddit. You can see where your friends want to listen to good playlists, so you can suggest your own playlist, and that is another way to find them. Okay, here is the third best way, SoundPlate. SoundPlate receives around 500,000 visits each month, and it is a good place to share your playlists with SoundPlate by clicking this link. This Top 4 Earn channel. Thanks for watching.